The Sunjuk Kirang Bakor Kabri Nyotrem has urged upon residents under the jurisdiction of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to attend a mass public meeting scheduled for the 18th of January 2025 at the second ground Polo. Speaking to the media, Erwin Sutanga, the working president of the Sunjuk, called upon the public to actively participate in the meeting, which aims to empower citizens through the laws of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The initiative focuses on officially recognizing the roles of Assistant Rangba Shnong, the Rangba Dong, Seng Long Khmer, and Seng Samla. The Sunjuk has appealed to everyone to join hands and ensure strong turnout at the polo grounds to support this important cause.
Lengba ki anjung dis council kawai ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Amendment Act 2023 baru ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Amendment Act 2023 yang kaba hakatai ki aibor pengkupor ya kinabadong ya kisah negeri, ya kisah. Hagani ko ikaan pada kepada yang lineage, pun pada yang kita pasang. Kila tahu iki ai, kila busuk iki kendon jadi ai. Ban keren saya kira ya kapor jadi, stop kapor jadi, seng kendai, seng longmi, ban iki sen sama but kam tamai iki ram bakor de hagani ka khapra dre ka jingkarpa kalamba ki paiba kini notoi kumbarabu nomor kani ka jinga kendo lam jong ka jai gulriu ka bodon sikini ki thai khasi hapo ka jing sincha jong Khasi Hills Autonomous Council bagi kur ki senglong kbi ki sen sama ban ki shlong ki dewan man ka tu kasu bagi walang akan nongren jauh kecil nongren. Kami ke political meeting, kami ke jinga kendu nomor berapa yang membawa election tadi. Kendon si kecil terai bakal ke politics nakalian tersunjuk di apa guru nakalian inong siap senang ngimdon ke partisan politics ni ke party politics ngimdon ni keren ke politics jauh kecil.